By the way, punching shear is also known as two-way shear. So that is shearing happening in both directions, no? X and Y direction. Samantalang ang step number 5 or check number 5 is beam shear. This is shear happening in one direction only at the same time, at a given time. So, meron tayong along Y, tsaka another is along X, pag ano naman, beam shear or one-way shear. So, dito tayo ngayon sa along Y direction muna. Dito, yung column natin, ano? So, yung force na itutulak ng soil pressure Q sub U would be manggagaling in this, contributed by this area. Ngayon, itong broken line na yan, yan yung shearing plane, no? Or yan yung, kumbaga yan yung perimeter, something, shear perimeter. Ngayon, yung shear plane na yan, this is defined by distance C1 all over 2 plus D. Ngayon yung C1 all over 2, kalahati ng column, and then this is distance D, which is defined by yung 800 mm. Or still, that is the distance from contact point of rebars to top of footing. Okay? So sa ating sample, yung D sa punching shear is the same D dito sa one-way shear. Okay, so D from the face of column to the shear plane, that is D. And then by geometry, kukunin natin ngayon yung distance X dahil distance X multiplied by this height, B all over 2, okay, will give you the area that will contribute to your shearing force. So, kunin muna natin tong X, which is equal to L all over 2 plus eccentricity E sub X minus this distance. Well, this distance is equal to C1 all over 2 plus D, which is this equation. Ngayon, ito yung ating sample. Let's say, meron tayong eccentricity na 9.9 meters. Okay, so ito yung center niya, no? 0.9. Ayan, so eccentricity is 0.9. And then, let us compute yung distance X. So that is equal to L, which is 4 meters divided by 2, plus eccentricity na 0.9. Take note na absolute value ang kukunin mo dito. Okay, so absolute. Then, yan. Dahil kapag negative 0.9 yan, magiging plus pa rin yan. Okay? So, meaning, itong equation natin applicable to eccentricities in either positive X or positive Y. And then, minus C1 all over 2. Ngayon, ito si C1 divided by 2,000. Kasi, millimeter yan. And then, minus D. Divide mo rin yan ng 1,000 kasi millimeter yan. And you will get your X equal to 1.9. Okay, so ito yun. Along Y pala. Ngayon, itong along Y na yan, ito yun, ano? Yan yung computed na X kanina, which is ito. So yung along Y, yan yung shearing along in the Y direction. So your X now becomes 1.9. Ngayon, kung hindi ka sigurado, i-plot mo sa AutoCAD. Ngayon, itong shearing plane happens at a distance D from the face of column. So sukatin mo yan, yan yung 1.9 meters or 1900 mm. Ngayon, ano itong 1,000 na yan? It is simply the distance C1 all over 2 plus D. Okay? And then, kunin natin ngayon yung shear force contributed by the area. Okay, so B times X. And ang ating B happens to be 3 meters. So that is equal to 3 times 1.9. Okay, that is in square meters. Tapos, diretso na natin, i-multiply na natin ng Q sub U. Ngayon, nasan si Q sub U? Kunin natin dito sa check number 3. Ito, 40.15. And that is 228.83. Ito yon. And then yung allowable shear force niya is PVC. 0.17 square root of F prime C times capacity reduction P times BD. Ngayon, yung shear area na yan is this distance B, yung length ng shear plane, multiplied by the shearing thickness na D. Okay? So let us compute that. That is equal to phi na 0.75 times 0.17 times square root of F prime C. Ayan. Times B na 3 meters times D. Okay, ito yung B natin. 800. Then, you just, ayan na, 1402 kilonewtons. And then, ang ating VU is 228. So, if allowable shear force is greater than your ultimate shear VU, then it is safe. And then, the same principle applies to shearing along X. So let me take a sample. This time, ang ating eccentricity ay negative 1.2 meters naman. So, 0 and then negative 1.2. Ang shearing, so delete ko na yan. Delete ko na yan. Yung shear happens at distance D from the face of column. So, sukat tayo dito na 800. Then, yan. Let's say this is the broken line. Yan yung shear plane. Okay? And, kunin natin to. Yan ang susukatin natin. This is now your distance y na 1750. Yun. Now let us compute that using this equation. So that is equal to B all over 2. Nasaan ni si B? It is 3. Okay? So B all over 2 plus eccentricity y. Take note na i-absolute na natin yan. Ano? Ang eccentricity y natin ay 1.2 negative minus C2 all over D. Ito. 300 divided by 2,000 minus D na 800. Oops. Okay. Edit ko lang, no? Okay, so ayan na. So this is B all over 2. Ayan. Kaling siya dito sa B. Ayan. B all over 2 plus absolute. Ayan, B4. Minus B4 all over 2,000. Yan yung C2 minus def na, ayan, B62. And that is equal to 1.75 meters. Ngayon, that is the distance y which is itong 1750. Yan yun. Okay? So that's how I got 1750. Multiply mo lang ito ng 1,000 para maging millimeter. And then, you multiply it with your length L. Ngayon, ang L natin ay 4 meters. Yan. So, let us solve your VU now. So, our VU is equal to our Q sub U. Yan, 55.62 multiplied by L multiplied by our distance Y divided by 1,000, and you get 389.34 kilonewtons. Next, yung allowable shear force naman natin is P 0.75 times 0.17 times square root of F prime C times L. Ang ating L ay ayan, times D na 0.8. And you get, multiply natin to ng 1,000. And you get 1869.69 kilonewtons. Yan yung allowable shear force. Now, we compared this to your ultimate shear force. Since this is greater than your ultimate, then it is safe. Next is the check weight of footing. This is similar to concentric footing, no? Yan. So meron tayong required area. And then, involved dito yung dalawang asterisk na yan, which is connected to your soil, unit weight of soil. Kung net ba ito or hindi. Kung i-consider ba ito or not. So going back to these two asterisks, ito yun. If ito yun. So, inopen ko yung pattern for concentric footing. Okay, so meron tayong double asterisk doon. If consider weight of soil, yes, then ganito ang magiging equation mo. Yan. Otherwise, if no, then this will be your equation. Okay? So, ito na, yung check weight of footing. This is the same pattern. Again, this is the same pattern as eccentric footing. So, ipakita ko lang. So, ito yung eccentric. It is the same as pattern with your concentric footing. So, pakita ko lang. Yan. Okay? Next would be yung check reinforcing steel bars.